How to set your friends list private on Facebook PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First launch a web browser. Click search bar at top. Type in facebook.com and press enter. You will land on official interface of Facebook. Make sure to log into your account using your credentials. Now click on profile icon at top right and click setting and privacy. Now choose settings. Once you land on settings section, scroll down. Look for the option of how people can find and contact you under audience and visibility section. Click to open it. Here you will see who can see your friends list. Click on it. To make it private, set it to only me. Or you can even include and exclude friends and lists using custom option. Click on Done button and you have successfully set your friends list private on Facebook PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.